I've got Patrick here with me today. I want to take this opportunity to ask him a few questions about their new TITAN Fab Center they purchased.
So we're on day 3 of your install of your TITAN Fab Center. Haven't cut anything yet.
Yeah.
How excited are you?
Oh, we're extremely excited. I mean, we're going from being the Flintstones to George Jetson here with this new machine. Everything we do here in the shop is manual, so we're jumping right into the future here, and couldn't have come for a better time for our company and the guys that we have.
Good. Morning, Jeff.
Morning. More productivity without physical strain. Since I fabricate everything and lift everything, should help a lot.
How do you think the install went for you guys?
Great. Unbelievable. Couldn't ask for a better situation. Again, very overwhelming. The minute that Park ended up on our job site with the machine, the riggers, everything has been A+ across the board for sure.